hey, let me show you amazing camera features that you can find on the POCO F6 Pro, and honestly, there's like really cool features right here. So let's quickly start. First, we are going to start from the photo mode, where we have to navigate into this small arrow, and now we can find, for example, the voice shutter. If you say this keyword, cheese, your screen will actually blink and take the photo, and now we can actually see that my smartphone is taking 30 photos every 1 second. So there's another feature. When you click here and go for the timed burst and click on this small arrow, you can actually select the number of the photos, and for example we can set it for 10 seconds. So now every 10 seconds the smartphone is going to take the photo until it reaches the photos that we actually select. So it looks like this. There's the countdown and it will start taking the photos. So it's really useful, for example, for some group photos or tripod photos. You just have to set it up, then you are pressing on the shutter one time, and after this your smartphone is taking a lot of photos. Now I'm gonna turn off both of these options because I don't need them right now. And now we are going to navigate into the settings. Then when you scroll down, you will actually find this function with tap to take the photo and additional shutter. So additional shutter works like this, that when you swipe from the main shutter, you can add another one, which gives you actually better position to reach this shutter. So if you have small hands and you cannot reach this bottom shutter with your one hand, it will definitely help you. And the tap to take photo works like this. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken, but it will also automatically adjust brightness and focus. Now, when you go back into this camera settings, we'll find another options, like for example, the HDR10+. So it will allow us to record high resolution videos in HDR10+ or HDR10 and optimize colors and dynamic range. So that's really nice and useful function. And from the settings, that honestly all. Now we have to go into the mode just right here, where we can find, for example, the 50 megapixel mode, and when you click and hold or just simply take the photo, you will be able to find a lot of details. And take a look, for example, I can find on the lens of the iPhone my fingerprints. If it is not good visible to you, I will try to show you actually how it looks with the zoom feature, because that's another tip, another amazing function. Take a look of the quality of the zoom. There's optic image stabilization, so this is actually the reason why the screen is not shaking. And as you can see right here, you can even find my fingerprint. Take a look. That's really nice and amazing quality. Also some pieces of the dust on this second lens. Now when you are here in the more modes, we can also find the short film. So right here we can actually find some presets, and we can actually record some segments, like 9 different segments that will actually allows us to create. Let me just show you. Let's get, for example, this one. Click on this arrow. I will try to mute sound. And now we have to record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different videos that last for around 2 and 5 seconds. So it looks like this. You have to just keep holding your phone, keep tapping on this play button, and after you finish, you will see something really nice. So let's just keep doing this. You can add your additional hand movement, and now to finish, click here, tap here again. Now just wait for the post-processing. It will actually add transitions, it will actually add some music and cool effects. And now take a look. I have to rotate the screen. Okay, like this. Never mind, I just locked the screen. There's this music. And as you can see, that's how it looks. This one was actually like pretty normal, but for few of them we can find like really cool looking transitions. And also in the smartphone we can find the camera pro mode that will allow us to change every parameter of the photo manually. You can find here a short description. And this is it for this video. A few camera tips and tricks for the POCO F6 Pro. Right now please subscribe to my channel.